Found a new toy. Well, actually, bought a new toy. Finally learning how to camp. Camping in the backyard. It's pretty big. We can actually fit 5 of us here.
No.
Yeah. You can put 2 beds.
Malalaki sila.
Nice.
Now we need a camping chair, camping table. We got the stoves.
We're finally gonna learn how to camp, yo. We've been planning it, but we finally have the tent and the bed. Except the bed, we need attachment. So to be able to inflate it. It's nice and comfy too. So we can at least, it's big enough where we can fit tables, chairs, and camping gears and all that crap. Now we're happy. We're very happy with his buy. Without spending so much money. The best buy ever. It's just too much work putting it in and putting it out. But it's worth it. Now, yeah, we're gonna have to try it.
You have to do it like that first. Before you stand up.
Now we need to buy that small, what do you call that? Metal stuff or whatever na pang yung mga table.
Oh, yeah.
Now we need to buy supplies, camping supplies. We already have the grill, and he broke it. No, it's supposed to be just like that. Yeah.
Well, what is this?
It's supposed to connect on a thingy. We're done camping. Just like that. We already experienced it with a little aberya. But we can try again next time.